I'd like to note that no one knows about this channel's existence. So, yep, this is not a sponsored review. So let's just get started with this unboxing. The first thing you'll need is something to open the box with, and here I chose to go with a knife that refuses to cooperate with my pretend coolness. Ah, there you go, nailed it. Kinda. Now, if you're like me, you'll need adult supervision for this part. Once you're done, use every unsafe way possible to close the knife and don't ask for help. Once that's done, make sure you keep it at a safe distance. Social distance. I hope you guys are safe where you are, but still sanitize your hands and wash your hands like you want to get that club stamp off before your mom sees it and throws a slipper at you. Or throws you out of the house. The first thing out of this box is a 64 pocket album. You'll find a lot of colorful albums online and also some wall hangings with wall pockets. I don't know what I'm saying. This is the Instax Mini Sky Blue, which looks nothing like Sky Blue, and I think I like it. This is my favorite Instax mini film in black and with a dent, so I think the seller should be prepared to get a pretty scathing email from me if it is damaged. This is a standard Instax mini film in white, and I got 2 more boxes because why not? This is, I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, this is the sticker. I actually don't know how to use this, and I don't know why I bought this. Another mini black because why not? And black is my favorite color. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, this is the PU leather case cover for the Instax Mini something. I'm not sure. And of course, the star of this unboxing, the Instax Mini Link. So all the inscriptions or all the writings in the box, the description was written in Chinese. Because I think this came from Hong Kong, so yeah, I mean, it's okay, but it looks pretty cool, and yeah, do not do this. I feel like, I think the Instax Mini Link is a bit fragile, so please don't do this, what I did. I don't know why I did that, because I am pretty careless. So anyways, this is the 84 pocket album. It's quite pretty. And last but not the least, the Instax mini film in macron. I don't really like pink color, but I spoke too soon. The bag is pink. Okay. Well, I mean, it does look pretty, but I don't think so it's protective. But anyways, it's good to have this if you're carrying it around. Yeah, it's pretty convenient. So yeah, I like it a lot. So that was all for this unboxing. Let me just clear all this so that I can unbox the mini link. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's get started. Let's open this bad boy up.
I am sexy and annoyed.
Okay, I don't know where that voice came from, but let's just continue. So obviously the first thing is the charging cable, which kind of looks, wow, it's a bit small, but it's okay. And of course the printer itself in all its glory. My first impression of this printer is that it is quite lightweight, and that's probably because of its plastic exterior. It has ridges which will help give it a better grip, perfect for a butterfingers like me, and I really love the minimalist design. I see only one button with Instax written on it, and behind is the release latch to the film cartridge compartment. And at the side is the charging port with, oh my god, is that micro USB? Oh, really Instax? Really? And you know what? That's not all. The charging cable is small and Fujifilm hasn't provided any adapter. As much as I love how it looks and feels really Fujifilm, what is up with the micro USB? But it's okay, I still have a pretty good first impression of the Instax Mini Link. But then again, I had a great first impression of a lot of people in my life, and boy was I disappointed. Anyways, I of course needed to charge the printer, and as it was getting charged, I decided to read the manual, and as I was reading the manual, I realized something. I can't read Chinese. So of course I went online and downloaded one from the Instax website. There are manuals available in several different languages on their website. The next thing you need to do is download the Instax Mini Link app and make sure you download the right app. And as you can see from the way I interrupt the download multiple times, I have trust issues. Open the app and allow it to do everything, hoping one day your parents will extend the same courtesy. Now please read the offer document carefully before investing. Please ignore the terms and conditions and just accept it. Now you can connect your smartphone to the printer. I had some issues with connecting, and not to blame anyone, I believe the issue lied with my phone rather than the printer itself, as it seemed to connect soon after I restarted my phone. Plus, I have had issues with my Bluetooth before. After wishing and hoping and praying, I was finally able to connect with my printer, and then we spent the day together. Next, you need to insert the film cartridge. Keep in mind that the instant films have an expiry date, so do ensure that the film doesn't expire soon, like the last relationship you thought will last forever. Avoid opening a film pack or loading a camera under direct sunlight, and after opening the film, do not leave it in a bright place. Slide and hold the release latch lock and open the film door. Insert the film pack by aligning the yellow line on the pack with the yellow line in the film compartment of the printer. Close the film door, and now the printer will eject a black film cover which needs to be discarded, just like the residual feelings you have for your ex. I'm sorry, I think I'm going through something. And now you are ready to print some amazing pictures. Or you can print not so amazing ones too. You can use the printer at your own discretion. So far, I have a pretty good impression of the Instax Mini Link, and the few prints I took after I loaded the first cartridge did make me hopeful for a good review in the next video. So yep, that is it for this video. I'll get back to you guys after I've used it for a few days, since we both would like to get to know each other before we move forward. For the review of course. Until then, stay tuned for the next video where I will be walking you through Instax Mini Link's features and the much talked and raved about app. See you in the next video.